Hi girls and boys, welcome to our educational channel, Vivat Vivian.
Мы можем пойти туда.
Walking to see waterfalls at Temescal Canyon. Cool. Everywhere there are areas for a picnic. So we're gonna cross the stream.
There's a bear cave over there.
Wow.
Subscribe to my channel, Vivat Vivian.
So peaceful and nice.
We made a bridge. What happened to it?
Cool. What an adventure.
I think that might be the stairs that you were talking about. Okay, whatever. Who's this hole in? Ooh, it's so messy.
Yeah, there are different paths here. People are hiking, they know, but some areas they go maybe 1 hour or more, and some areas go back.
Or whatever these guys are.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cool. And down there is a creek.
Oh, that's where we were actually.
Cool. Let's go check it out.
That's the big tree.
Wow. This path is very narrow. Watch out for rattlesnakes in Southern California, especially when you walk early in the morning, and we are hiking at 7 a.m. right now. I see that somebody came here on a bike. I see the line on the floor. Wow, so lush and green. It reminds me a little bit of Maui and Kauai. Wow, so cool. Wow, and I hear the stream. Oh, I remember this area, so I know approximately where we are. Let's go.
Can we go back?
Wow.
Let's go
All
back
right.
to another place.
All right. Okay. This path is very narrow and overgrown, I see. But we'll check it out. And instead of climbing up, oh, there is also a pathway going through those trees. Let's go down here. Cool. All right. And I think we are going back to the stairs that we showed you earlier. Yeah, here are the campers' homes. Yeah. Careful here. All right. Oh, here the explanation about Temescal Canyon Trail Hut. Oh, so there's Temescal Waterfalls that is 1 mile away. Temescal Ridge Canyon Loop, 2.6 miles. That's what we'll try tonight. Cool. All right. Let's go back to the campsite. Wow, do you hear the water down the stream? So cool. Here's the map of Temescal Gateway Park. And you see by number 9, that's cabins.
Now look at this.
And 8 is classroom. 4 is YMCA pool.
What?
And it says that overnight accommodation for up to 100 people. Meeting room, classroom rooms. Here it is. Temescal Canyon is located right adjacent to Sunset Boulevard. That's away from Pacific Palisades to the city. He doesn't like being touched. Of course he's alive. Try walking and he's gonna be hopping. All right, try walking. Walk up. Oi!
Oh,
Is that a live bunny? Yes, it
he's
is.
a live bunny that
Yes.
jumps with his legs.
Very good. Cottontail. I see the white
Yay, bunny! Bunny jump!
bunny.
Bunny rid.
Oh, right there, right there.
Bunny jump on.
He likes to hike here too. It's a very cool creation from plastic, just wrapped in a foil. Very nice. Different bottles.
Oh no!
Oh, you need to get your car. I'll get it for you. Mini
Tornado.
tornado. Dusty tornado, right? And it's dispersed again. That's one of the view from Temescal Canyon. We didn't even get to the high top.
I can see
And it's already
like, the
so-
whole city.
Hey. So we are hiking Temescal Canyon Ridge. 2.6 miles. Should take about 40 minutes round trip. The ocean, and some people are building brand new mansions right here on this parcel. Just 10 years ago it was completely empty. Новые дома, до этого ничего не было построено на этой горке.
Потамирка.
Вон она бегает. Их здесь полно. Видишь, площадь их распростертых лапок большая, поэтому они не тонут.
Before you go, click the like and subscribe buttons below. We had fun!
Subscribe to my channel, Vivat Vivian.